What's going on, guys? Haven't made a video in a while, but today I'm actually installing the Rheem PREFERRED water shutoff. This goes to the water softener here. I got everything disconnected. This is I guess you call it an aftermarket little add-on. After you buy it, it doesn't come together. And how you get to it is you lift up the back area. You're gonna try to get to the back of this control board here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. See, one side at a time. Lift both sides up. And of course, be careful. I'm just gonna set it on the front here. So if you're looking at the control board, you can actually pick it up. And of course, be careful with your wiring. This front part here, I'm just gonna lift. Let me try to do this with both hands. You see the tabs here. So essentially, you're gonna disconnect everything. All right, had to do with both hands. So tabs on both sides, as well as the little grooves up top as it slides out. If you're looking at it straight on, the connection is the white one here. So just, yeah, camera's fuzzy. So it's on the back right side of it, but if you're looking directly at it, it's the left, and that's where you put your connection at. All right, so your wiring is gonna run behind and out of the way. So wiring, you're gonna pass through here. And looking at the back of the control board, the front face here, of course, you just kind of lift the tabs on the sides, both sides, and it's gonna come up. Then you can shift it forward. Make sure you don't damage any wiring. This connection here is line up. Make sure it's going through the groove. And light pressure until it's attached. I guess I should have tucked that under, but it'll be okay. So this is done. Complete. Top's going back on. So when you buy this shutoff valve, the front has indicators of it being on or off just by the red line, how it's lined up. So if you needed to turn this on and off manually, you'll just pull out. You'll hear it click. Turn the valve on and off. Just either directions will close the valve, shuts the water off. All right, so you're gonna get the adapter with one male 1-inch connector, just a standard national thread. And then if you want to do barb or PEX, you're gonna get just another 1-inch male, what is this? Male to barb. Let's see if I can find it. Yes. So 1 by 1-inch male national pipe thread. So thread adapters to go to PEX here. Crimp ring. These are about $6 each. Got my pipe thread inside. All right, getting ready to make my connection. PEX pipe crimping here, and yeah, some crazy contrast with the colors. This is the last part, and then after we'll plug everything back in. Just powered everything back up. Let's see, looks like it went through a cycle, turning left and right. And no indicator, but we'll see what we have in the app. Okay, so right here, I'm going into the app for the first time after manually turning the switch myself. And it gives me a pop-up saying that, hey, your device went into override. Do you want control back of it? And I said yes. So I initially could not turn it back on, or couldn't turn it off because it didn't have control. So I left it in the on position. And then from there, it took back control and it allowed me to turn on and off. All right, so I tried it out first time. It gave me a warning in the app that my device had been accessed manually, and it said, would you like to get control back of it? And I clicked yes, of course, and it took about maybe 5 seconds for it to gain control. It kept it as on, and then when I switched it back to off, it allowed the app to grab control of the device to turn it off. Just a quick timing, turning on and off. It was only about maybe 4 or 5 second delay, but of course I'm right here on home Wi-Fi, so no idea how that will affect if you're out and about in the real world and not like on site, on premise. But so far so good, and we'll keep it monitored. Real-time access to any kind of leaks, as well as your flow, water flow, estimating daily use, weekly use, monthly use, and I think it may compare to others in the area as well. All right, all done.